In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot Outlook add-in, a vital tool for integrating your email communications with your HubSpot CRM. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. If not, go ahead and do so now because you'll need access to the user interface throughout this setup process. To get started, first navigate to the HubSpot User Guide. This guide is a comprehensive resource providing detailed instructions and contextual information about various HubSpot features. You can easily find it by heading over to the HubSpot dashboard and locating the Guide section, which is usually accessible from the homepage. Here, the instructions will direct you to the appropriate section for installing apps. Once you're in the User Guide, the next step is to click on the Marketplace option. Think of the Marketplace as HubSpot's very own app store, a place filled with applications and integrations that can enhance your HubSpot experience. By clicking on the Marketplace, you're stepping into a world of customization. So take your time to explore what's available in addition to what we're setting up today. After you're in the Marketplace, look for the Apps section. This is typically a tab or button on the Marketplace page itself. Clicking on Apps allows you to see all third-party applications and tools that can be integrated with HubSpot, including the specific add-in we want, Outlook. Make sure your connection is stable during this process to ensure everything loads correctly. Now, within the Apps section, there is a search bar available for you to use. This step involves typing highlight into the search bar. The search function is quite efficient and should quickly bring up a list of related applications, making it easier to find precisely what you need. Typing highlight will help pinpoint the HubSpot-specific app we're aiming to install. In the search results, you should see several options. What you'll want to do is click on the one labeled By HubSpot. This label indicates that the app was developed by HubSpot and specifically designed for a seamless integration. It's always reassuring to know that the tools you're using directly come from or are endorsed by HubSpot itself, ensuring compatibility and support. The final step in this process is to click on the Install App button associated with the HubSpot Outlook add-in. The installation process might vary in duration, depending on your internet speed and computer specifications. Once you click this, follow any subsequent prompts to ensure the add-in is correctly installed. And that's it! You're all set up with the HubSpot Outlook add-in. Through this add-in, you'll find email management becomes significantly more integrated with your CRM activities, saving you time and reducing hassle. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly enhanced HubSpot experience.